Oh, my fucking knee touched. A trick I don't do often by itself is corkscrews. So I'm gonna drill a few corkscrews. See if I could even get a box cutter in there or whatever that shit's called. Corkscrew with the hook at the end, you know, the 540. Yeah, that one. I'm definitely gonna feel this tomorrow. And I'm supposed to be filming parkour. Actually, parkour might be a little bit easier on my body. So I think I'll be okay. But if not, woo, I need to give my body a break. I'm overthinking it. Yo, what am I doing? I had this problem a few months ago. It's like I just lost corks. My arm's not snapping. It's like fuck. I'm gonna stop before I hurt myself. Whew.
It's really us. If I ain't on fire, how to make.
It's good, chat. We need a nickname. We'll come up with a nickname for you guys. I'm tired of calling y'all chat. I ain't gonna lie. But I want to thank the support. Yeah, y'all niggas going crazy. TikTok going up even though it's getting banned. Almost at 3K subs on YouTube. Yo, we about to make a movie today. Y'all niggas got me hype. Hi. Today we're doing something different. Today I'm doing free running, parkour, free running. You know, I'm not tricking today. I may do a couple flat tricks, but today's video is mostly centered around parkour and free running. Because I haven't done it in such a long time. I gotta keep, you know what I mean? Gotta make sure my bones in. Gotta make sure I still got the technique. One thing I do want to start doing is making my way to events. This year I want to attend at least 3 events. I know Vertigo Mini is coming up next month, but that's too soon for me. I just found out 2 days ago about Vertigo Mini. But Vertigo VI, Vertigo was at 6, 7, one of those, it's up there. That one, I'm planning to go to that one because I want to see the battle. I definitely want to be a part of that. But as far as Vertigo Mini goes, I probably won't be attending that one this year. Next year, I'll definitely attend it. But yeah, I want to pop out at more events. My first event will probably be Vertigo, and then next year I'm going to the UK for parkour event. I just need to do research about events. I want to start doing more events, not competitively because I don't think I want to be competitive in the sports, but like for creation and social wise, getting to meet new people, experience new things. I do want to start doing that. So look forward to those trips coming up very soon. I got a tip for you fellow flipping and parkour creators. If you do want to grow, I'm saying you should be doing this anyway because it's just the right thing to do. Support people who do the same thing you do. Like, I know for a while I didn't comment on people's videos. I would only like them. I wouldn't share them. I'd only like them. But now that I'm commenting, liking, and actually engaging with the community, yeah, I'm talking to you, yeah. Engage with the community. People don't know you exist until you let it be known that you exist. This will determine if today's a good day or not. We in the McDonald's drive-thru, it's back full.
Yeah, I got a code for you. 781.
Oh, come on, it's a good day.
I don't normally promote nobody's shit, but link in the description. Follow my boy on YouTube. He makes some fire ass music, I ain't gonna lie.
Follow my man's back too, man. Y'all missing out on crazy content. I don't know what y'all doing.
Shit, y'all niggas must be taking a nap or something, cause we putting in work.
Y'all see a real life Power Ranger. This guy right here. Live action, boy.
Bro,
Shit.
today finna be a movie. There's so much out here that I want to do. It's starting to rain, by the way. Didn't account for that. It didn't say it was supposed to rain today, but apparently it's supposed to rain for 2 hours. So the video might be cut short if it does start pouring down, but we're gonna try and stick it out. But there's so much to do out here. Like, every corner is a spot. So we were talking about it. We want to make this like an every other week thing, and just like fucking attack every video. Like, but everything out, like, if it doesn't even look like a spot, bro, it's a spot. Like, everything out here is a spot. It's kind of crazy. I need to come out here more often. If you ever thought about doing some shit, just do it. It doesn't hurt. What are you gonna lose by doing it? You've never done it before. Only thing you're gonna do is gain something, whether it be a lesson or whatever it is you're trying to achieve. Just do it.
Shit. It's live action.